Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for rewards programs with Starbucks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for rewards programs with Starbucks, begin by visiting the official Starbucks website or opening the Starbucks app on your mobile device. Look for the Join Us or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that you will remember. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, you may need to provide your first and last name. Add your phone number for account recovery purposes. Select your preferred method of communication from the options provided. You might also be asked to enter your date of birth. Once you have filled in all the required fields, review your information for accuracy. After verifying your details, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. Click this button to submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can log in with your email and password. Explore the rewards program features available to you. Consider linking a payment method for convenient transactions. You may also want to download the Starbucks app for easier access. Once set up, check for promotions or bonuses for new members. Enjoy earning rewards on your favorite Starbucks purchases. Remember to keep an eye on your account to track your rewards points and rewards status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.